Man, she's a hot one today. Repping KSK. As you can see, this line right here, this one I'm touching, this is the fuel feed from the fuel cell. So, this is the fuel return line. That's perfect. I bought a fitting that adapts the stock fuel line to a AN-6AN. And I also bought a -6AN to 3/8 fuel line. And I also bought a fitting that adapts this little thing here to an AN line. So let's go ahead and install that.
Can you hear my heartbeat calling? Can you feel the love we're falling? Just take my hand and take me home tonight. Throwing caution to the wind, I'll take a chance and let you in. Just take my hand.
The AN fitting that goes on and adapts it to a 3/8 fuel line. The other thing I went ahead and bought from RTM is a block off plate here. I already see a problem. Anything, because I bought this plate and it goes here. Why does it have another bolt hole for there? Well, looks like I'm gonna have to weld that. Shut. Super weird.
Take me home tonight. We defeat all impossibilities. Yeah, you and me will take our hearts and run free into the
switch to the iPhone right now. I got my trailer in back. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I got my trailer. We got Ryan's dad's pickup truck. Thank you again, Ryan's dad. I'm going to pick up a 1994 Dodge Colt Coupe for the windshield, front control arm. Well, I'm picking up the whole car for like real fucking cheap. It's ridiculous. And yeah, gonna take the windshield. Supposedly the windshield, Mitsubishi parts online say that a coupe and a sedan, they're both interchangeable. They don't have the same part number, so I'm gonna really hope that that's gonna be good. Yeah, so I'm gonna pick up the Dodge Colt, and we're gonna be stealing the front control arms also. We're making custom control arms since they're made out of steel. I can cut and weld them and put my spherical bearings and make a caster adjustment on it. It's going to be super simple compared to what I wanted to make with just the tube arms. It's going to be actually a little bit stronger too. So, and then GS is picking me up some monoball studs. It's misaligned with misalignment. I have the misalignment spacers. Anyways, he's picking up a bunch of like balls, monoball studs for ball joints from Justin. The guy who made his angle kit, so should be good. We'll just have to see once I get them. But yeah, that I'm gonna take the clutch reservoir. I'm gonna take the clutch pedal, gas pedal, brake pedal. I'm gonna take everything I need from the car, just like keep spares, the brake booster, and we'll go from there. We're gonna go pick up Ryan and Gab. This car's like an hour away. Alright, a little update here. We got my windshield.
Got a very big windshield.
Very big windshield, yeah. So I got my windshield.
Oh, and I'll give Sean the footage from mine. So,
super sketchy.
Update is, our sketchy wheel unseizing did not work.
know. We tried pulling the car for like, I don't know. I guess he wasn't lying about the engine. Runs mint, bro.
Gas pedals.
Should I put the ramps? You're about to drop. Woo! Man, it's so easy taking the front end off this thing. I just have the intercooler left, 2 bolts for the engine mount, the transmission mount, and then I could pull the engine out to put the clutch in. And I'm gonna spray a little bit of black, do a couple welds and a couple things, and I'll be able to assemble the engine for the final time. Well, final time, till the engine blows. And I'm just gonna go show you guys while Ryan's working on this. And the 330, we were gonna weld the diff. The diff is just over there. But
Not yet.
Ryan's trying to work out a deal for something, so
this car might be gone.
yeah, well, for something better. So, and we went to pick up this Dodge Colt 1994 today. I know you guys are like, what the fuck, why would you pick up this piece of shit? Well, windshield per the Evo. We measured it out online. The parts number said they match, that the coupe one fits the sedan, so pulled the trigger, picked this up for $250. I'm gonna remove the front control arms also and try and make some extended ones, since these ones are made out of steel. Thanks a lot, buddy. I'm trying to film here. Yeah, these ones are made out of mild steel or whatever, so I'll be able to put the spherical bearings, extend the control arms, and then chop and make a caster adjustment with a tube. So that should be pretty simple for that. Look how freaking bad this thing is. Look at the rad. Well, we strapped it because the rear brakes was seized, so we were pulling it. That I'm gonna steal the brake booster and the brake master reservoir. Might steal the wiper motor, since that fits the Evo, this fits my Evo. Might steal that rad fan, maybe. Coolant overflow, I'm gonna steal that. All the fuses I'm gonna see for the seat belt. Probably gonna take that cluster, since I might make like a custom race dash with it. I'm gonna take that shift knob. Not for the Evo though, maybe like a future project. I'm definitely chopping off this muffler because it has like a condom tip, if you want. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna have to take you guys off the quick release stand. Put this in here. This thing's so broken. Look at that condom muffler. Yeah, and I'm gonna take the third brake light. I'm gonna take the speakers out, speakers in the door, the door latches, because I have a key for it. Ignition barrel, I might take the whole steering column out, and it's manual, so I'm gonna take the clutch pedal, the brake pedal, and the gas pedal. Anything else I can take? I think that's pretty much it. I was gonna take the mirrors. Well, I'll take the passenger mirror. This one seems to be fucking busted, I think, because this guy got hit by a deer. The shoulder hit there, the head hit the windshield, so he changed the windshield, and then it hit the rear end. Yep. Oh, I might take the horns too for Vivi's BMW. So, and then I'm gonna scrap it, and I'm gonna get exactly what I paid for it, or pretty much. So that's how you get a cheap windshield for your drift car when it's an Evo. So I'm making myself some Hawaiian pizza. It's my favorite. And I'll give you guys a little bit of update later. Whoa, zoomed in like a motherfucker. I'll give you guys an update soon. Trying to film more. Hope you guys are liking that. And yeah, right now this situation is Subaru, probably a water pump or thermostat. S14 runs, needs alternator wiring plugged, and the fan relay kit installed. BMW might be leaving for another BMW, but with some choo-choo noises. The X5, we're changing the carrier bearing because the drive shaft carrier bearing let go. Ryan's 330 Shell drift car, Jay-Z's in, he's gonna be wiring it today. We just put in the fuel pump. Hopefully he'll be starting it. The 540, hopefully Ryan will get rid of that before like next week so he can get a bit of cash. And then my girlfriend, well, mine and my girlfriend's, the purple E46, it's gonna be a future missile project that I'd like to do. I'm just gonna keep it on the side there, and yeah. Anything you wanna say, bro?
No, I'll record some after.
Record some after? I gotta change the battery, it's been flashing red. But yeah, I'm gonna eat supper and then I'm gonna go ahead and yank the engine to put the clutch in.
Yankee Doodle?
Yeah.
I don't know why, bro, but my arms are really itchy.
Mine are just tired as fuck.
Mine are super itchy and I don't understand it.
Did you take a shower?
Yes, I did. You were fucking playing on the simulator right when I was showering.
Right. Whew. As usual, the daylight is gone. Got the engine out. Installing my flywheel. I installed my special bearing. Not throwout bearing, but anyways, I'm waiting for my girlfriend to show up with a torque wrench because this torque wrench only goes up to 77 foot-pounds. And then I installed my release bearing in this clutch. Show you guys that. It's a custom throwout bearing made by Bill. Yep. And that's custom throwout bearing. Stock Evo 123 or DSM pivot ball bearing and stock DSM clutch fork. And I believe this is a Celica slave. Clutch slave. I'm not sure. And I'm just gonna get a reservoir for the clutch master. And I taped all my wiring. Finish my steering column and put an extra bolt there. And hopefully my girlfriend arrives soon so I can put the clutch back, clutch on, transmission back on, and then back in the car. That's the goal for tonight. And Ryan's trying to start his JZ46.
Give her the energy she needs.
Thank you, ACT, for powering my dreams.
Brake cleaner? It should be in the bag, no?
Oh, it's right here.
Damn, I forgot I had these nice ACT stickers. Which I probably won't use, but whatever.
Now that I circulated into the turbos and everything?
Gotta say, boys, it's been a really long time coming. But I now have my ACT pressure plate, new race disc from ACT, machine flywheels, so it'll accept a Toyota R154 with a special pilot bearing. I'm like, yeah, I'm starting to see the end of the tunnel. I'm so happy. Alright, let's get the transmission back on. Hey, salut! Mon nom c'est Vivian. Moi je suis la copine.
Hello, Ryan.
Toutes les filles dégagent.
Oh. Hello, Ryan.
Allô, Vivian, ça va? Hey, salut! Ça va?
Ouais.
Oh, this is gonna sound good. Fuck. Okay.
Un exhaust. Ouh là là. Qu'est-ce que c'est ça? Yeah. Yeah.
How does that quick release even like go on?
That's stock.
That's what I'm saying. Is there any way to put that on the other stand? I wonder.
Maybe.
Oh yeah. Should be able to.
Pass me the fry bar. Right.
These are approved right now. Perfect. Yes.
Yeah, your mounts are a pain in the ass to get in there.
Yeah. That they are. 17. Pass me the 17. What are you doing? You filming?
Yeah.
Fucking guy.
Hey, for once you're not behind the camera.
Yeah, I know. But I look like such a slob right now.
Just gonna
Because it's fucking... how hot is it right now? Like, check the temperature.
It is, 22 degrees.
Is it really 22 degrees?
No, hold up.
It's definitely hotter than that.
Yeah. Well, right now it just says 20 degrees. So it's pretty good.
Doesn't even show on the camera.
10 o'clock.
20 degrees.
Hot night, honestly. We used to getting like the 3 and 4, you know, it's fucking freezing.
Alright.
Alright.
Might as well put on right away.
Well, wait, I want to be able to put it after I put this bar, because this bar's fucked up. Fucking bitch to put in. I don't want to scratch it.
Is that the belt? The belt took
This wire's on fire.
Where did Ryan's wiring is on fire?
No, put it there.
It was just
It would have been if he kept it on 75.
Hey, boys. Engine's back in the car. She's looking all pretty. I even put like the clear valve cover. The clear cam cover. It's like a fake eBay replica HKS. I also took the time to make my water pipe now that sticks out of there. So that one is gonna go from hose to my inline thermostat to my top radiator hose. Whoa, sorry guys. Seem to have lost you there for a second. Okay, just hold it like this. And then I'm gonna make another pipe similar to that one, but this one is just gonna go into the water pump and it's gonna do a quick 90, and then the 90 is gonna go all the way down to that one. And in that pipe there's gonna be a water hose that's gonna get connected from, this is the cold side, it's being sucked into the engine. Let's come out a bit. So getting sucked inside the engine, and there's gonna be, normally it goes to the heater core, but now it's gonna go whoop, to the other one of the heater core. Yeah. Hey baby. Ça va?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the clutch is in. Well, flywheel, clutch disc, pressure plates in. I put the drive shaft back in. As I was tightening the bolts on the diff, I asked them to put it in first. I wasn't able to move the drive shaft at all. I can even see it engaging when, and then it was super tight at the rear. And then when I put it back in neutral, boom, I can move the diff again. So clutch works. Thank you, Bill.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. You guys can go to Bill's Auto Fabrication and get a focus. Bill's Auto Fabrication and get yourself some custom bell housing. Yeah, water pipe is made. I also took the time to finish welding the support bracket for the steering column, so I had taken my steering column out. I fixed the clearance issue there by bashing it in. Yeah, and also wrap part of the wiring loom. I just need to put it back on this side and put it back and tape it. Yeah?
Oh yeah!
Alright, so like, subscribe, comment for more videos. We got 19 days. My girlfriend actually made well, I had made a board and she thought I didn't know how to write or wrote like a preschooler. So she just fixed it up, and now we have 19 days and like 10 hours, but yeah, let's get on this list, eh?